Why is the DA quiet? I mean, yes, typical Malema, EFF asked the questions, MKP, ANC, DA, even Action SA, Patriotic, I don't remember, but then they asked questions, but then DA never asked Paul O'Sullivan questions. Maybe today. Welcome to the second day. Paul O'Sullivan in the ad hoc. This is the second day, so as we wait. But then I would really play Maskitlana here and say, and like try to understand. Actually, I'm understanding why EDA was not asking questions. Paul O'Sullivan literally, and I'm sure that like when he saw himself on TV or when his lawyers, whatever, was like, yo, Paul, police don't know. You just ousted apartheid system. The apartheid system that we were protecting. Uguti black people must know Uguti, this is what we did. Because of they keep on accusing us, but then we keep on denying and dismissing them. Well, Paul outstepped that. So every person, I came to this country with nothing and I worked hard. Work hard. Now we know. Now you Paul O'Sullivan, the very same. Where's Allah? Nix worked hard chasing black people. That is work hard. They even create portfolios and positions for you just to suit you. No degree is required in that. An executive. Executive, do you have a certificate or a diploma in, guys, Paul just really outstepped. And it's not that we didn't know about the system. The system, we knew about it, but then people kept on denying and dismissing us. Oh yeah, I came to this country, or my grandfather came to this country and worked hard. Worked hard isn't chasing black people, chasing the black laborers, the slaves and all that. You just stand there and then like, oh yeah, and it is still in existence till today. In corporate, they go to Brakpan, and you know, like I don't know in Pretoria, like, but yeah, but they go and get those, and then they make them supervisors. Bazokubamba ngesende ngesizulu angithukani. Bazokubamba ngesende so bona lapha, because of mandate is like just chase black people. That is the mandate. So yes, Paul O'Sullivan actually said it, said a mouthful. So it means Uguti back in the days, if you can catch or chase 20 black people, you get a big star a day, which you should report was somewhere. Or oh yeah, I chased 30 black or whatever, or in, and then you get a star, then you get promoted and. Thina abantu kudala sisho le ukuthi vele laba abasiphethe ama-supervisors, a black young somebody comes with a degree, Brakpan Springs and all this farm whatever, farm lapis, farm whatever, or hobos. They make them supervisors, and it's like, I worked hard myself. But anyway, I know, let's wait, maybe DA today will have questions for Paul O'Sullivan. But then I know that for a fact, DA will be sticking to what Paul O'Sullivan has been doing, meaning ousting or corruption and all that. They'll be dwelling on that. They won't be dwelling on the history, on how he even got the citizenship, on how he got the whatever, that he is busy going up and down playing mind games. Hey, we've got experience la, the Madlanga and the ad hoc. We've got experience. So basically, he just came to South Africa and as a tourist, and then he saw how white people treated black people, he got attracted by that, and then he even begged to stay, and he even said that he will learn Afrikaans just to be integrated in the system. Because like that's what it takes. That's what it took. That's what it still takes. As long as you will just chase a black person. Like that's all what it takes in South Africa. Like, and I repeat it and let that sink in. Let that sink in. That's exactly what Paul O'Sullivan told us. Nina lezi zokuthi nizaloko nithi hey ngoba ujeke uyenza ujeke isilebe imani kancane iphakeni. Let us listen. I listened very carefully yesterday on how he got here. Police reservist. Oh yeah, chigi when sebakupha power to train people because you know they constitute here the what you brainwash and what no but train about Paul O'Sullivan. That's why we now today. So, okay, hopefully DA will definitely also question Paul O'Sullivan, but then I know what DA will be sticking to, Ujeki Slebe Wambambisa, corruption, Paul, hey, Paul. Watch this.